Today we're diving a little deeper into the world of Bill of Materials to understand the Indented Bill of Materials, or BOM. Let's explore what it is. Unlike a traditional BOM, which lists components in a flat structure, an Indented Bill of Materials represents the hierarchical relationship between components, subassemblies, and the final product. It will show the highest level of a parent closest to the left side of the listing and all the components that are used within the parent item indented to the right. Any other levels that are shown are indented even further to the right depending on the proper build of the bill of materials. Keep in mind that if a component is used in a different place within the bill of materials, this component will be shown more than once under each of the subassemblies it belongs to. The primary purpose of an indented bill of materials is to provide a clear and structured way for your product's assembly. It helps in understanding the product structure at one single glance. Creating an indented bill of materials involves gathering information from various sources such as engineering drawings, CAD models, and product specifications. Accuracy and thoroughness are key in this process. Indented BOMs are used in various scenarios, including new product development, managing product variants, and supporting your supply chain management. Several software tools are available for creating and managing an indented bill of materials, including enterprise resource planning systems and product lifecycle management software. Many of these forms of software provide a way for users to expand or collapse the bill of materials. This makes it much easier to understand and look at the different levels closer. In conclusion, indented bill of materials play a crucial role in manufacturing and product management. Understanding their structure and importance is essential for streamlining production processes and ensuring product quality. We'll see you in the next module.